Now we're logging into Salesforce for the first time. It's good to become familiar with all the options we have at our disposal. So the first item to mention is the top left icon, the 9 dots. This is the app launcher. So by default, when you log in, you'll have an assigned application, but there may be other applications you'll interact with. So you can use the search bar to search for those. There might be a finance application, for example, that you search for, or another application such as service. So you could click on service and you'll have applications related to service. We're just going to navigate back to membership. And now we're back on our membership application. So what the benefit of having different applications is it enables us to group tabs together related to a user's workflow and show certain dashboards and reports and home screens for certain users. So as I've mentioned previously, we have tabs at the top, so we can, if we would like to, just customize how they look. So we can freely drag all of these around to our preferences. If we would like access to reports and dashboards at a first instance, then we're free to save that, and then we see immediately reports is available like so. We can also reset it to default to have it in the manner the application was originally set to. Sometimes you'll have access to more items that were not by default added to the application, so we can click on that, and then we can click on all, and then we can search for example, chatter, and click plus, and this will add chatter to our application should we have access to it. So I'll be able to write a post to followers, provide an update, and then post it, and anybody who's following this will be able to see that. We can also write polls and ask questions.